Most of us use cloud-based Google tools for our everyday work as they make it easier to collaborate with our colleagues. Google Docs allow us to create different types of content like reports, proposals, etc. Google Sheets allow us to analyze data, and Google Slides simplify making presentations. Imagine if we could use generative AI in these tools. So, in this lesson, we will check out an amazing add-on called GPT for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. It's an addition to your web browser that brings the smarts of GPT right into Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This way, we can do more with our work without having to switch so much between tabs and different tools. So let's get started. This add-on is available in the Google Workspace Marketplace. You can directly download it from there, or in the search bar, enter GPT for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Click on the first link. Click on Install, present on the right-hand side of the required link. Click on Continue. You will be directed to sign into your Google account. To do that, log into your Google account, or you can use any other account. After going through all the relevant points, allow it the access. Click on Next. Click on Done. Once GPT for Docs, Sheets, and Slide is installed in your system, you can start creating. Now, let's try and see how we can access GPT directly in our Google Docs using this extension. To do this, open any Google Doc in your system. You can start with a blank document or start with a document on which you're already working. Now, click on Extension. As you can see, in the list of extension, you can already find GPT for Doc, Sheets, and Slide. Once you have located it, click on Start. And as you can see, GPT for Doc, Sheets, and Slide is present on the right-hand side of your screen in the form of a panel which offers you several features like edit text, create text, summarize, chat, and create images too. How about let's create some text. To do this, you can enter a relevant prompt regarding the text that you wish to generate. Suppose I wish to generate an email to my manager asking him for a prompt reply on an upcoming proposal. So I'll enter a prompt that states the same. Once you're done writing your prompt, click on Run. You can read the preview generated by this extension on the right-hand side of your screen. And if you're satisfied with it, all you have to do is click on Insert, and the generated text would automatically be inserted in your Google Docs. Wasn't this really easy? Now you can make any corrections that you want to or use it directly. Let's try some more of its features. Now that we have created text, how about let's edit some text. To do this, all you have to do is select the text that you wish to edit, then click on Edit Text and write a suitable prompt regarding the edits that you wish to see. Suppose I wish to make the selected content a little concise. So I'll enter a suitable prompt that states the same. And once I'm done writing my prompt, all I have to do is click on Run. But before that, we can also see some of its advanced settings. Here, in the model section, we can choose the model that we wish to use. We can either choose GPT 3.5 or you can also go for GPT 4. You can also set the temperature for this extension. By temperature, we are setting the creativity levels. Higher the temperature, lower the creativity. That means the output will be more aligned to your prompt. But if you decrease the temperature, it will allow this extension to exert a greater amount of creativity. Hence, the output would not be as aligned to your prompt as you'd expect. For now, the temperature is by default set at 0.7. If you're satisfied with these settings, you can go ahead and click on Run, but if you want, you can change these settings according to your requirement. You can preview the generated text, and if you're happy with it, all you have to do is copy the generated text and replace it in your document. Clicking on the Insert button will insert the generated text at the end of your document. You can either do this and finally copy this text to the required place. Well, you can try the summarizing feature and the chat feature, which is still in its beta phase, on your own. For now, let's give a try at creating images. Suppose I wish to create an image regarding a vector representation of a girl trying to read a book. So I'll enter a suitable prompt and see what this extension comes up with. Once you're done writing your prompt, click on Run. As we can see, the extension generates 4 different images as per our prompt. If you like these images, all you have to do is select the one that you like and click on Insert, and your selected image will automatically be inserted in your document. If you're not happy with the result, all you have to do is go back, click again on Create Images, write the prompt, or take help from the extension to write a better prompt. Here as well, you can select the advanced settings and choose the resolution of the image that you wish to generate. Wasn't this just super easy to work with generative AI right where you need it the most? Now, let's go ahead and try this extension in Google Slides. To do this, all you have to do is go back to your home page, and from the Google apps, you have to look for Google Slides. You can work with this extension on a blank slide or an existing slide as per your requirement. For now, I'm going to click on a blank slide, and like we did previously, click on Extensions. As you can see, your extension is already here. Click on Start. In Google Slides, this extension offers us 3 different features. The first one is Generate Slide Deck. It will generate suitable slides as per your prompt. Second is Create Text. It can create text on any given topic that you want. And the last is Create Images, which we explored previously too. Now, let's try and explore Generate Slide Deck. Now, I wish to create a presentation regarding stock market investment. So I'll enter the prompt Stock Market Investment 101, and let's see what all slides does this extension comes up with. You can choose the number of slides that you wish to generate. You can increase or decrease this number by sliding this bar. Suppose I wish to generate 6 slides, so I'll suitably set it according to my requirement. You can allow it to add images or avoid it. I want to add images, hence I will allow it. In the advanced setting, as previously, you can choose the model that you wish to work with. Here I'm choosing GPT-4, and you can set the temperature according to your requirement. Although it takes a little time, but as you can see, the generated slides are amazing and it was super easy to create them. Imagine, for any impromptu presentation that comes up, this extension is going to be really handy. Now that we have explored GPT for slides and docs, the final thing is to try it on our sheets. To do this, head again to the home page, and from the Google apps, locate Sheets. Click on Blank Sheet, and like we did previous 2 times, click on Extensions, Click on GPT for Doc, Sheet, Slides and start. Let us try some of its features. Starting first with creating a list of 10 most valuable goods in the world. In the first cell, type equal to GPT. As you write it, you can see you have 4 options already available. Since we wish to create a list, I'll select GPT list, enter the prompt. And in my prompt, I will add 10 most valuable goods in the world. Make sure once you're done writing your prompt, click on enter. As you can see, the extension has quickly generated a list of 10 most valuable goods in the world. Similarly, you can generate table and perform translation using this extension, but when it comes to mathematical operation, there is still a lot that this extension cannot help us with. Currently, the capabilities of this extension are somewhat limited. However, given the rapid pace at which the field of generative AI is advancing, it's safe to anticipate a steady stream of additional features and increasingly sophisticated extensions emerging in the coming months. As this technology continues to evolve, we can reasonably expect more powerful tools to be integrated, further enhancing our creative potential and productivity. While we have primarily focused on exploring this extension within the context of Google Chrome, it's important to note that similar extensions are available for other web browsers as well. Platforms like Copy.ai, Hyperwrite, WebChat GPT, Merlin, and more are tailored for users who prefer to use Microsoft Edge, Internet browser, Safari, Opera, etc., broadening the reach of these handy generative tools.